All right, your topic is describe a time when you observe the stars. So please.
I try to look at the sky at night oftenly because I like to look at the twinkling stars. It's been my activity during since my childhood. I like to see the nature because it suits our minds as well as increase our creativity. And I would like to share my tour to my cousin. They lived in hometown, and usually due to less polluted area, the sky is really clear at night, and we really see the clear view of the twinkling stars. And we oftenly made triangular patterns of the stars and try to count them. uh, the activity is really fascinated to my mind, and I
Okay, thank you. You have to speak past tense actually. The topic is describe a time when you observed. Second form
yes
of the
sir.
verb. So all your answer will go in second form. You used
Yes sir.
first form as well. And
Yes
it's
sir.
not the word fascinated, it's fascinating,
Fascinating.
right? Yeah, you can say I was fascinated, but the thing was fascinating. Stars were fascinating and all that. Okay, so tenses mainly and proper use of present tense or past tense according to the topic. Now we have speaking part 3. Why do people like to study the sky?
People oftenly try to study the sky because it is the career opportunity as well, because it enhances the creativity of mind, and you can carry out your career as an astrologist or a scientist as well. And you can be a photographer as well.
Photographer. Okay.
Photographer.
All right. Thank you. Listen, your language is good. You just need to patronize your answers as per Ielts and focus tenses. I mean, tenses doesn't mean you don't know tenses. You know tenses, but you're using wrong tense. That's what you got to improve. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.